Okay guys, finally got my Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and this is going to be a quick unboxing.
Let's do this!
So let's check out what else comes in the box. A USB Type-C connection cable, our SIM tool, very unique of course, and the usual paperwork. And here's the 3A Pro with that unusual back, that very large camera bump. Some people don't like. I do, actually. And in a few days we'll start seeing what the camera's like. So let's take a quick look around the phone. First on the right we've got our power button, and underneath our essential key. We'll talk about that later. On the left, our volume up and down buttons. Up top, just one microphone. And on the bottom, our SIM tray, main microphone, our USB Type-C in, and our speaker. So let's go power it up. Alright guys, I'm going to set this up and I'll get back to you. So we do have an updated startup, and it's telling us the essential key now works in camera capture, and there's some camera enhancements. So we're all booted up, and as you can probably see, we're still copying apps. So we'll do a quick camera snapshot test, one with my little Android buddy, and we'll do a portrait of myself, and I'll let you see what those look like. So here's a couple of shots of my Android buddy. And a quick portrait of me. They look pretty good for a quick first test, I think. And I figured I'd give myself a quick call, let you guys see those glyph lights in action. And yes, I do use the good, the bad, and the ugly as my default ringtone. So here's a quick demo of one way to use the essential button. If we bring up a photo, hold it down, we can take a memo. So just a quick memo trying to give you an idea of what this thing will do with the essential button. It does take a few minutes to analyze and process your voice memo. This one took about a minute and a half, I guess. Just a quick memo trying to give you the idea of what this thing will do, the essential button. And a double click will take you to something called Essential Space, which is an area where all your voice memo stuff is processed. I'll show you more of that in a future video. So that's my unboxing of the Nothing Phone 3A Pro, folks. I'm thinking this unique device may end up being the king of the mid-ranges. We'll see. You know there'll be some comparisons with some of my other mid-range budget phones like the Samsung Galaxy A35 and others. So stay tuned for that. Right now it's $459 on the Nothing Phone US website. They're saying it's not official in the US. They're saying it's a beta for us. But we'll be testing that out because my Nothing Phone 2 works just fine. But I'll certainly let you know if something doesn't work as expected or any other drawbacks I do find with it. Right now I'm kind of excited about this device, and I'm expecting I'm going to like it quite a bit. So, of course, I'll leave a link in the description. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
So there's one other thing.
We all do better when we love each other.